Hi guys, welcome to my channel MIS with Krushna Pradhan. So today in this Excel formula series, we are going to learn COUNTIF formula. So guys, if you know, we have this count A function in Excel which count the text or the numbers that are available in our cells. So the bigger version of this is a condition like a COUNTIF formula which we can put a criteria, then I can count that number of cells. Let's do that. When I'm saying, see, this 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. This is my column, A column. I have the cells. So what I can do, if I want to count how many cells are filled with numbers or text, what I can do, I can write equals to count A. Then I can take this entire range A colon A. Then I will get the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will get 5. But guys, if I want to count it with the conditions, like in this column, the numbers where the value is greater than 30, then how many numbers are there? So there comes this COUNTIF formula because it comes with a condition. So let's understand the syntax first. If I write count if, so first it will be our criteria range. This range is our criteria range, then our criteria. Okay. So when I am saying first one is criteria range, this criteria range is where we test our condition. So suppose this is our range. So this is our criteria range. I can write count if the range. Always take the entire range. It is very easier for us to refer in the future. So I can take A colon A, comma. What will be my criteria? Where the number is greater than 30. So I can write quotes greater than 30. Quotes. See? And if I will do that, it will check each cells one by one. So is it greater than 30? No. Is it greater than 30? No. Is it greater than 30? No, because it is equals to 30. It will also exclude it. It is yes, 40 is greater than 30, 50 is greater than 30. So I'll get the value as 2. So whenever we want to test any condition, if you want to count anything using a condition, then obviously this is our go-to formula. So wherever you want to put any condition in count formula, so you can use COUNTIF. Okay. Let's take another example to understand it in a better way. I have in A column, I have fruits. In B column, I have its price. Okay, I'll take banana, grapes, apple, orange. So I can write 10, 20, 30, 10, 10. See, there are two columns. In A column we have fruits, in B column we have price. Okay, if I want to count the banana, how many times it is coming in this A column. So what I can do, I can write count if. I'll take the entire range A colon A. Then I can write simply banana. Okay. So it's as simple as that. See, wherever there is a column you want to count using a conditions, you can take the entire column range, then you can put the condition. Here also in B column, if you want to count something using a condition like B colon B, then number greater than equals to 20, then it will also give you the count like greater than equals to 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will give you 4. Okay. So COUNTIF is a simple formula. Hope you guys have understood. Let's go to our Excel screen and understand it in a practical way. Thank you. Hello everyone. So like I promised, we will do the this practical here for COUNTIF formula in Excel. So you can see here it is my Excel screen. I'll just randomly put some data, then we'll do the COUNTIF formula. Okay, so let's put some random things. Fruits. Okay, let's take fruits. Apple, orange, banana, then again apple, kiwi. Got it? Then I'll just copy and paste this thing here. Okay. If my question is how many times this apple is coming in this column, in this data range, then uh, how many time apple is coming in the data range, then what can you do? You just simply, if you don't know the formula, go here, filter it out, then it's apple. Okay, let's see, count is 4 here. Okay, we got it. We can do it manually, see. And if there are lakhs of rows, thousands of rows, you cannot do that, in a single this way. It will take some time. And if you want to make your things dynamic in Excel, if you want to automate things, then obviously that's not going to work. So what you can do, you can just simply put a COUNTIF formula, count if. See, it is very simple. The range is here, criteria range, and the criteria would be what you want to count. Okay, so let's take this criteria range, then I'll write apple. Okay, got it? We got the 4 count. And again, like I said, just we don't need to make things static. Let's take dynamic. Let's make it dynamic. I'll write apple here. We got 4. Then if I write orange here, orange, then it's got 2. How many times orange is coming? 2 times. Got it? It's very simple, and it's based on we did this on a text in a column. Let's do this on a number column. So we'll take some random numbers. The formula is ran between 10 to 1000. Okay, got it? I'll just drag it down till here. We have a lot of numbers. Great. We'll just value paste it, and I just want to count the numbers that are greater than 500. Let's see, we'll do it manually. Greater than 500. So how many numbers are there? This count is 11 numbers are there. We don't want to do it manually because we are Excel expert. So let's do it here. Count if. Obviously it is asking for this criteria range. It would be my criteria range because I'll put my condition here in this column only, and the criteria would be like this. It should be greater than 500. See, when we did it manually, we also got this value 11. Now we did it by using this COUNTIF formula. We got this value 11. So I hope this COUNTIF formula you understood it very well. It's very simple. See, when you want to put any condition, just put it like this. Okay, criteria simple. In COUNTIF formula, 2 things are there. If we'll write the formula and click on this tab, you will see what is it asking. It is asking me for this range. The range would be my criteria range where my criteria will be applied. So if I want to do something here in this number column, it would be my criteria range. If there is something in this B column, it would be my criteria range where my condition will be applied. So here my criteria range is this C. Then I'll just put that column, entire column. It would be very easy for you. You don't need to select this from C. See, people what people do when they start using Excel now, they normally do this C2 to C21, and what they will do, okay, greater than 500. Okay, great. So we got this 11 value. And if I don't want to, if I have some other numbers, suppose I'll write 1000 here. So obviously this 11 will not change because it has taken the range till 21, and here it is more than taken the entire range. That is why it has changed. If you want to change it, you can do it like this. 22 will get 12. So better, let's not take the range, take the entire range. Okay, don't select from this cell to this cell. Okay, you got it? Okay, thank you so much guys. Let's see in the next video.